Are you looking for a quality locksmith service in Newcastle? Locksmiths Local Newcastle are your #1 providers for all things related to locksmith services. We have over 40 years combined experience in the locksmith industry. We can help you no matter what specific service you're after. Whether or not it's any of the following: we've seen it all and will have no problems helping you quickly and efficiently. Not only that, but we have a great reputation for our friendly, understanding, and locally based service. So to get in contact with us today, you can either visit us at the website shown here or call this number. Thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you soon.